DJ Harley. And welcome to the very first bird walk since the zombie apocalypse. Now downtown may be a smoldering wasteland, but migration waits for no one. Pretty good turnout here today. I see Susan from the old office, pre-apocalypse. You were in human resources, weren't you? How are you? How's your sister? Eaten by zombies. That sucks. Chuck, you were in finance, weren't you? Gotta be honest, Chuck, I did not think you'd survive the winter. But here you are. Good to see you. This is Dennis. Me and Dennis go back a long time. He's actually my mentor. He taught me everything I know about birds. Known each other 20 years. Isn't that right, Dennis? He's a zombie now. But he's promised to be cool, okay? Besides, the man's a legend. He can spot a Kirtland's warbler through a hurricane. But isn't that what bird watching's all about? Bringing people together despite our differences. Even if one of those differences is that he wants to eat you. Just don't go near his mouth. Alright, that just about does it for the sign-in sheet. Everyone else who signed up is dead. They're all dead. I guess we can spread out a little. Oh, nice try, Dennis. You keep those chompers to yourself. Oh, goodness. Anyway, if this is the first time you've looked at birds since the collapse of mankind, well, things have changed. The birds you know and love are gone. For instance, just over here, over that log, that's what we used to call an American robin. Now it's called the red-breasted eye gouger. No, Susan, it's this way. It's the one that's gouging that corpse's eyes. So we're getting ahead of ourselves. We need to go over something very important, and that is birding etiquette. Because even in the bowels of hell, manners matter. She's fine. Okay, listen, this is important. Focus up. Rule number 1, be quiet. Bird watching is often more about listening than it is watching. Rule number 2, don't stress the birds, even the zombie ones. This is their habitat, and we are visitors in it. Actually, Dennis, it's your habitat too now, isn't it? How about that? Rule number 3. Excuse me just a minute. Respect your fellow birder. Okay, give them grace if they misidentify a bird. We are all out here together, risking death and dismemberment for something greater than ourselves. Right, Dennis? Couldn't have said it better myself. Oh, this is a big one. This is a doom-bringer. Now, it used to be a bald eagle. You can tell by the white head. It's quite a bit bigger now and covered in mucus and gore, but you can tell. Susan, what are you doing? Susan, that's much too close! Oh my God, it's got Susan! Chuck, Dennis, stay back!